www.kotoys.com. What we have here is a Transformable Thomas. This is a Thomas the Train transforming combiner. There's 3 trains which combine to transform into one giant robot. They're pretty cool. They each have a Thomas face on them. Each have wheels. They can roll. They come in a carded package like this, and they also come in a gift box, just like so. And they come in a whole bunch of sizes. They have the smallest size here, which you can tell is quite small. They have a small size, which is a bit bigger, maybe twice the size as the smallest size. And they have a mini size, which is smaller than the big size, but a lot bigger than the small size. So it's actually a very cool toy, very cool transformer, combiner. Thomas is really popular all around the world. Kids love them. So we can check out the trains. I'll show you how long they are. This guy, if I rotate that down, you can see he's about 16 centimeters long, about 20.5 centimeters long, and about 17 or 18 centimeters long. So very cool toy. To transform them, you take them apart. At least the blue and green ones will come apart easily, just like so. This guy forms a torso. So this back piece comes off. These 2 pieces will flip down like so. His head comes up. This piece rotates down. This will fit onto his back, just like that. These can rotate up. You just have to pull one. The other will rotate by itself up. Nice chrome parts on this. I really like this guy. He's a cool looking transformer combiner. And these are the legs, and they just open up like so. The arms are a little bit harder to form. You just got to pull out the right pieces and snap them together properly. So these are great for kids 5 and up, I would guess. Maybe even 3 and up. Might need some help transforming them though. The arms just plug into the sides like that. The legs will pop on like so. And then we got Transformable Thomas. Very cool. We can compare him to G1 Devastator to get a kind of height comparison here. And you can see he's about the size, about the height of G1 Devastator. It measures just over 8 inches, maybe 8.5 inches tall. About 20.5 centimeters. And if you go up to the top of these, it's about almost 23, 22.5. And if we're up to the top of the arm here on Devastator, he's almost 22.5, 23 also. So they are about the same size. They're in scale. Nice combiners. And kids really love this. They have a lot of fun with this. It's a really popular transformer here, a transformable toy. Of course, Thomas is very popular. So a transforming Thomas will just drive most boys insane. I suppose girls too. Should be a lot of fun. So that's Transformable Thomas, Thomas the Train Combiner. www.kotoys.com.